Hi guys, welcome to Monday, June 1st. It's our last week. What I want you guys to be focusing on right now is your summative argument assignment. It's not really a big assignment, even though it is summative. It's just to make sure and confirm with me that you understand the parts of an argument. So I've already posted this on Google Classroom for your week 10. And what you guys are doing is, first, you're picking one of the following topics. So right here. And then you're choosing how you will present your argument. So you could do a letter to the school board, a letter to the superintendent, a letter to the state superintendent, a letter to the editor of a newspaper, such as the Green Bay Press Gazette or the Post Crescent, an essay, or speech. And remember, a speech is a different format than an essay. You're writing it as if you were speaking to me or to a crowd. It has a different format. So make sure you know that. And then, of course, consider your appeals, the logical reasons, the ethical reasons, the emotional reasons. And then a note about sources, consider the circles of information. So here goes, this goes through the circle of information. And you're not required to do any type of research or that requires a works cited page. But if you do choose to use information that you found in a type of source, then you are required to cite it. But it is not necessary for these questions because your guys are going through the situation which you will be speaking or writing about. Or you'll all be writing about it, but because it has to do with what we are going through currently. So you are going through this part of history, so you have the information. However, don't forget that if you have to use, if you, in your argument, use certain percentages or whatnot, that you will have to cite a source for. Though in forming an argument for these, you don't always have to use numbers or anything like that. But remember to avoid logical fallacies, because that is a major thing. Don't slip into that logical fallacy. Alright, so that is your final. It's due June 9th. For any seniors in this course, if hopefully you see this, if not, because your last day was June 9th, or May 29th, I'll exempt you from this. But I think there's only one senior in this course, so the rest of you are required to do this. Alright? If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. And don't forget your picture argument activity is due today. So I will see you tomorrow, which is also going to be a nice short video just asking you, hey, have you been thinking about what you're doing? Have you taken a look at your summative argument? Have you chosen what you're doing and what question you're answering?